We're all confused by the crypto market since, even though it's riskier, it pays off better, so adding a couple of cryptos to your risky portfolio doesn't seem like a good idea in general. All things considered, Vechain is one of the best ways to make money using cryptography. Is investing in Vechain a good idea, or is it dead? Let's look at the details of Vechain and how we think the price of Vechain will change in the future. Based on what we think will happen in 2023, we think the value of Vechain will go up in 2023. The most the coin can be sold for is 0.051. But the basic price may be close to 0.021. Value of Vechain expected in 2025 based on the last show and our estimates of vet costs through 2025, the symbol will trade in a range of 0.060 to 0.091. With 0.060 being the most likely cost of rental and 0.091 being the most likely cost of the whole year. What the value of Vechain will be in 2030 based on our vet cost prediction, the highest price of vet crypto could have been 0.231, and the lowest price could have been 0.151. What is a vet coin? Blockchain is the brains behind Vechain. Radiant layout. Lou got his blessing from heaven in 2015, and his goal was to make the store network a thing with a perfect life cycle. Loop Invade has a lot of knowledge in the field because they worked at Louis Vuitton China before starting this business for the establishment. Vechain brags that his shop is the one that has everything taken care of. How to get ready for a network upgrade. Extremist changes to the product life cycle through a professional administration system can be credited to Vechain, but its roots can be found in the code for Ethereum today. Due to clever arrangements made by Vechain, most of the site's key credits are used for things like voting, setting up installment plans, and so on. Engineers can now send highlights equipped directly to business customer base Vechain record and confirm each piece of data about the inventory network development, which makes security even better. To understand how Vechain got started, you have to look at the beginning. The main reason this type of blockchain organization was made was to solve problems in the strategies field, especially with dispersed and unequal information, while the business deals with a lot of information flow every day. The main problem, which was ignored, was that there wasn't a plan for making this knowledge easy to share and transfer. In the end, this led to less real information being sent and more fluctuation in the cost of the Vechain, as well as the current vet cost of about $0. Since the beginning of 2023, the token has been making up for the money it lost during a long slump in 2022. Based on our predictions for the price of Vechain, the money could continue to return and start making money until 2023. The Vechain theory. According to last year's VET news and price analysis, the crypto market is very different. However, compared to last year, the crypto market isn't in a bad place right now. The market has started to recover from the losses it made recently, so the future of Vechain and most other crypto coins looks good. Vechain value expectation 2023, based on our forecast for the year 2023. The lowest and highest prices for a Vechain coin could be around 0.021 and 0.051, respectively. The price change is expected to be over 100, with a typical price of $0.036. Vechain value expectation 2024, based on our forecast for the year 2024. The average trading price for a Vechain bet could go up by more than half. According to our Vechain price prediction for 2025, the coin's value will rise by about 300 over the course of the year. It will trade from a likely low of 0.060 to a likely high of 0.091, with an average price of 0.0755. Based on our Vechain price prediction for 2026, we expect the coin's value to have risen by more than 445. The lowest and highest prices are expected to be 0.060 and 0.091, respectively. At the same time, the average price of Vechain coins could be around 0.1025, and the price at the end of the year could be around 0.120. This is a wise venture Vechain expectation for 2027. According to the VET price forecast, the coin could reach a high of 0.160 and a low of 0.105. According to our Vechain expectations, the average value of a Vechain token could be around 0.132 in 2027 and 0.132 in 2028. Based on how the currency has been used and looked at in the past, its lowest and highest prices may be about 0.127 and 0.195, respectively. And its average price may be about 0.161 in the year 2029. Based on what we think the cost of Vechain will be in 2030 and what we think the value of Vechain will be in 2030, we expect the situation for Vechain to be stable. The extended operation of the VET is likely to be good for the crypto market. Our prediction for the price of VET crypto shows that the coin could have a highest value of 0.231 and a base value of 151 in the year 2030. Its average value could be around 0.191. Based on what we know about how much Vechain will cost, a slow rise is not usual. According to Vechain's prediction of how much a digital coin will be worth in the long run, the cost will be 0.0026. By the end of 2025, the price of a Vechain coin is projected to reach about 0.0807. This is based on an estimate made by Crypto Expectations. By the end of 2024, the price of a Vechain coin is projected to reach about 0.04791, according to a forecast by GovCapital. GovCapital's Vechain price forecast says that the price of a coin will be around 0.10411 by the end of the year. According to the Vechain projection for 2025, the price of a coin is likely to go up to about 0.10411 by the end of the year. Is Vechain a smart thing to do? According to the Vechain cost estimate, it might be able to fill a cent in the near future. This would be a big change from the past year, even though the unpredictability of the market means there could be more changes. Will Vechain make it to $1? Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital